Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the simple process of deleting your location history on the Snapchat app for Android phones. This tutorial will help you maintain your privacy by removing all your saved location data within Snapchat. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android phone. Next, tap the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. After that, scroll down carefully until you find the option labeled Map. Tap on Map to continue. Select Delete Location History. Finally, confirm your choice by tapping the Delete button. This will erase all your saved location history on Snapchat. Thank you for watching this guide on how to delete location history in Snapchat on Android. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking for more useful tech tips and tutorials.